Okay guys, well it's done. It's only taken me a couple of months of my life working pretty much 7 days a week. But here it is. This is now my second investment property and let's take a look around. So awesome little porch, free room represent. Had to give this the old paint over, not too much for the porch to be fair, but the kitchen is where the magic's really happened. Basically knew everything. Like everything I look at reminds me of how much of a hard graft, you know, on my knees doing this floor, which, you know, this had a wall here at one point. I had to knock it, well, we didn't knock it through, it was already knocked through, but I had to level the floor because there was like concrete remnants around. The old kitchen was so dated, it was like proper granny, and it had like wallpaper hanging off the walls. Big old kitchen table here. But I just went, you know, fresh, light. The grey's very modern, it'll stay like relevant for a while. I wanted the place to be aspirational, you know, a space where you come, it's clean, fresh, smells good, feels good. Yeah, and it's looking good. I really like the freestanding radiator, the wall-mounted radiator. Yeah, it looks super cool. Everything's all built in. Bam. We've got the built-in goodies, make life easy. Living room's a big, beautiful, open space now, super clear. Didn't even have lights in the ceiling, I swear to you. It didn't even have anything, not even an old existing rose in the ceiling. Big, beautiful fireplace. So he's actually got a proper log burner. Get his fire on. Yeah, and just beautiful grey carpets throughout. The conservatory is gorgeous. Nice bifolding doors so you can whack them all the way open. And you can chill in this space, which is gorgeous. All remote control blinds that were already here, which was super cool. It just really needed a paint and a tart up really. Let's go check out upstairs. Again, this was all red at one point, so had to really give this some TLC. Again, didn't have any lights, put those in. I guess one of my real prize gems of work was this bathroom. Again, did it all myself. Super stoked with it. Yeah, just literally fitted this bad boy myself. Just went for that freshness, clean, you know, bath, but also you can have a shower. Nice toilet. I removed the radiator that was on that wall, replumbed it and put it on this wall. So yeah, just so much cooler really. Just wanted to be a space where you feel good living here, you know, inspired. Main bedroom, sorry. As we go through, all been decorated, fresh. And it had, this was basically a cupboard that the previous owner had turned into a shower. But I decided to put a little sink and a little towel rad as well, just for good measure. All white, looks fresh. You know, just new shower. Everything is all new. I did it from the ground up. And then you've got the two other bedrooms. Looking fresh. This one's still got some stuff in it. But all in all, that's the deal. Somebody at the door?
Yeah, mate.
Hello, mate.
I forgot to take a picture of the bathroom.
Did ya?
Yeah. How are you?
I'm really good, mate. So let's have a quick look at the garden. I mean, we're still yet to be fully complete on the garden, but it does look nice. Beautiful blossom tree there. Stevie boy's getting his barbecue in here. He's gonna have a jacuzzi in the corner, a little hot tub, some garden furniture can live there. This is a nice little pad. And yeah, if you guys want to hear more about the costs involved, how to go about, you know, getting into property, I'm gonna do another video, but this is just the first reveal of the pad. Yeah boy, Steve's got a go-kart, man after my own heart. He's into motors like I am, and a buggy, and I can hear him out there now. What's up, players? Yeah, I'm good.
Alright, so the place is finished. 2 months of grafting away. Time to christen it with a cork. Hopefully I can still remember how to do it. It's been a little while. He's still got it. On to the next one.